Abby, and today I will give you guys a haul on what I got from Singapore, what I currently got from Singapore, because I went shopping the other day with my dad, and we kind of bought some stuff from Vivo City, which is a mall in Singapore, and it's really big. So yeah, so there are about, I think, 3 stores that I went to. 1 is Typo, 2 is a candy shop, oh yeah, Candylicious, and 3 is Hako, Toy Outpost. And yeah, so I'm gonna just give you guys a haul on what I got there. So let's start from Typo. So in Typo, I got, oh my god, it's so heavy. I got 5 A4 paper notebooks, and then I got 6 A5 notebooks. So I will give you guys a review on what the designs I got. So yeah. So first I will show you guys the design of the A4 size notebooks. So the first one is this Star Wars book. So it has Chewbacca and all Star Troopers. Yeah, and there's a lot going on here. Here's the back. It's all plain black, and the final thing over here is black too. And this is for my friend. His name is Khathawut. And then the second one I got is this one. It says "Get Shit Done," and I'm getting this for my friend Farah. Her name is Farah. She is my classmate. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. Nice. Here's the back, and the file inside is a pink one. So another one that I got, it's also turquoise, is this design. It says "I'm a daydream and night thinker," and a night thinker. And the background is turquoise with some purple, silver, and pink polka dots. So it's really nice. Then here's the back. Pink, hot pink. That's not a pink. Then pink on the side too. And then this one's really nice. It says "Take the Open Road," which is like really inspiring for me. I recommend you guys getting this. So it's really nice. Here's the front and here's the back. Then inside the file here is like just plain. Yep. So that's the. Oh wait, no, I'm not. Then here's the last one for the A4 size notebooks. It's a skull that's blooming out purple, blue, and pink flowers. It's really pretty. The background's black, and behind it is black too. And then just plain. Yeah. So the Typo notebooks, they are you can get 3 for $15 for the A4 size. I got 5, but I was supposed to get 6, but then the lady didn't key in one of the notebooks, so then I got 5. Okay, so now I will show you guys the A5 size notebooks, and here's the first design. It's a really cute panda saying "Alamak, Monday again." Alamak means "oh my god," and Monday, and then again. So Alamak means like "oh my god, Monday again." So this whole sentence here says "Alamak, Monday again." And the background over here is like a lavender color, and then the back is black, and the file inside is black. So that's the first side. Here's the second design. I find this really cute because it's a llama. So here's the front, there's a cute little llama there. Here's the back. And here is the file inside is turquoise. That's really nice. And here, okay, this is one of my favorite ones. It says "Need more weekends," because you only get to relax at weekends, right? So I think it's really nice. We have mountains, waiting there. And here's the back. And the file inside is just plain too. Yep. Okay, and then, oh my god, this is really cute. It's a cat, but it says "Meow Chico, meow meow." You guys know that song that goes "Bow Chico, wow wow," what you gonna say? So this is that song that's meow meow. So here's the front. The back is plain black, and the file inside is black too. So okay, so here's another black one. I really love that. So this one it says "I can survive on the bare essentials of food, water, and glitter." And I really like that. Black background, and also the back is black too, and the file inside is black. I love this book because it's full of black. Black is my favorite color actually. Okay, so the last thing for the A5 notebooks is this Star Wars notebook. It has Darth Vader, Luke Skywalker, Princess Leia. Yeah, here's that, and then behind is plain black, and the file is black too. Okay, so that is the first shop I went to, and now we're gonna move on to the next shop, and the next shop's name is Candylicious. It's really adorable. Candylicious. Okay, so hey guys, I'm sorry, but there's one more item from Typo, and it is this unicorn pen. I'm really sorry, but it's really cute. It's all black. I like black. Look, my nails are black. And here's the horn is gold, and yeah. Okay guys, so here is where Candylicious. This is what I got. So I bought 6 teddy bears for me and my friends. So this is my teddy bear. It has a mixture of purple, turquoise, and blue, and white. It's really, really cute. And this costs about $19. It's really, really cute. And then the next thing is for my friends. These are the smaller versions. I have like different colors. I got a yellow one. Here's the tag, y'all. These are $11. A magenta, or you can say purple one. Oh, that is not the real color, guys. There's light here. Oh, go off this. There's like a purple magenta. Purple magenta one. And then I got a blue one. And then I got a green one. And I got a pink one. So all these stuff are basically for my close friends only. So my close friends are, okay, from year 7, Seow Wei, Christy, Rozetthe, and Farah. I'm giving him the books, but Farah just asked me if I could buy her one. But we're close anyways. And from year 6, it's Khathawut and Samuel. So yeah, then here's another thing I got from Candylicious. It says, I love you. Yep, I got 2 of these. And yeah, and another thing I got from Candylicious is these kisses, and there's 6 of them. The flavors are cookies and cream and milk chocolate. And this was a great deal because they said if I got 3 of each kind, then it would only be like $12. So that was pretty cheap for me. And yeah. Oh, and just a reminder, this I Love You lollipop costs about $3.50. Yep. And yeah. Oh, and by the way, the A5 notebooks, they were also a great deal for me because I got 6 of them, right? And the lady's like, if you get 3, it's only like $10. So I got 6, so it became 20. So that's a great deal for me. A really, really great deal. So yeah, that's all I got from Candylicious. And now let's move on. This is my favorite one out of all of them. Okay, so I'm very excited for this last shop because this last shop I was really begging my dad to get me one of these, but then he's like no. But then I begged him more and he bought me one. So the store I went to was Toy Outpost, Hako, and then yeah, it is from Rozetthe too, or you can just call it Simply Toys or something. They're back to back. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. Okay, so if you haven't guessed already, I got 2 Squishies, my very, very first Squishies, and here is my first one. Okay, so so there are 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 7. There's 7 designs of these, which are a panda, a frog, a tiger, a husky, a pig, and a bear, and this thing. That thingy, okay? It's a bear, and this one is a puppy. So it says here, these yummy scented animal buns have been baked with lots of care for you to squeeze and smell. Do not eat, but please do not eat them. So this puppy is from Punimaru, and they're super squishy and sweet scented too. I could already smell it. Yeah, but it's the butter puppy bun, sweet scented squishy, and says do not eat. Obviously, you can't eat this. Here's the front, the back. So I kind of broke the packaging already because I opened it after I bought it, and then I kind of made a huge rip here, so that I could like tape it back together when I get back to Brunei. Yeah, so I'll squish it a few times in the packaging for you all crinkly lovers. So here it goes. That is so squishy, guys. So I'll take it out of packaging for you guys who don't really like the crinkly sound. Just hold on, guys. I know some of you hate that sound, but it's okay. I love you all. So here is the thing. Actually, I already opened this, as I told you, and it came with this puppy charm and this black dust plug. I think that's what they call it. Like came with a gold ball chain. Yeah, this is the thing. Sorry with my ratchet nails though, they're not really nice. And it kind of shows that it's clear, but it's not. There's a color of it, just like maple. And here's the squishy. So let's smell it first. Kind of smells bad. No, it doesn't really smell bad. It smells like honey, maple syrup, and butterscotch mixed together, and kind of a bit of chemicals. So yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so here is the licensing of Punimaru. Here's the face. It's really cute, so let's squish it. So the back is really textured, and I love how it's like really blended together. Okay. Oh, got the butterscotch scent on my hands now. Yep. It smells so good. And yeah, by the way, here's the packaging again if you guys want to see it. If you don't want to, then I'm really, really sorry. Okay, so okay. I'm really excited for this last squishy of mine. Though it's my last, I think I will continue collecting them, but I think I'm not gonna get that much because they don't have this in Brunei. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. So I just opened this